Hello, Williams, Philippines. It is Sunday, August 10th at 10, or excuse me, 7:57. So a few minutes before 8 o'clock. Boy, trying to get some dinner made. I plan on trying to be in bed by about 9:30 at the latest. I've got some spaghetti boiling and in the process of also doing spaghetti sauce. So yeah, Pinoy party style. I have no idea. And Filipino style tomato sauce. I have no idea. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, trying to get that going and all the spaghetti sauce. It's going to be a fast wham bam kind of thing. I don't usually do that with spaghetti sauce, but yeah, I'm just going straight out of the package with a little extra in the way of some onions and garlic and a little bit of bell pepper. Not much. But hey, I'm going to enjoy it because, well, I like spaghetti. Fast, easy, and pretty hard to mess it up. So, yeah. Anyway, uh, hold off and had issues with this phone being way too slow and dragging. Got tired of not having the ability to take and use the 5G because it doesn't have 5G. It's a 4G LTE something. Yeah, it's an old one. That's a A20 from, I don't know, 10 or 15 years ago. Yeah. Uh, anyway, I've got it. I was thinking about going with another Samsung, but I went with a Vivo. Oh, well, there you go. Yeah, Vivo. And it seems real snappy right now. Of course, give it 3 months, it'll probably be dragging as slow as the A20 was. Yeah, we'll see. Uh, I'm okay with it right now. And yeah, gonna be having a trip tomorrow morning to go to get my eyes worked or my right eye or left eye worked on. So yay there. And that's why I'm gonna try to get in bed early and set an alarm to get up because yeah, I got something to actually do that I need to be out of the house on time for. So yay. Anyway, this one here is short and sweet. And yeah, not too much to it. Hey, hang on, I'm gonna stir. Not too much to it today. Trying to you know get my phone taken care of and set up. Going over to get the surgery in the morning. I probably not gonna feel too active for a couple of days because of bright light. They said to be prepared to want to hide. So if you get a if you get a video tomorrow or the day after of dark room, yeah, it is what it is. Seriously, but yeah, I'm not gonna try to be going outside for a couple of days. So like bought a chicken and some rice and separated it into 3 meals, ate one, Got two in the refrigerator. Gonna take and put half this spaghetti back for tomorrow. And yeah, the only thing I didn't get that I really wanted was some of those peanuts from the guy down the road. He wasn't there this evening. And I'm like, it was quiet out there when I went through. And then I realized, oh yeah, Sunday, probably home having fun with his family. Seems like everybody went somewhere. It is what it is. And that's okay. Anyway, yeah, the surgery will be tomorrow. Get that going. 2 weeks later, hopefully get this one or thereabouts. Oh, so ready for this. And I was trying to get something called Gcash. Apparently, I have to actually wait on this to actually get the ID first before I can get it because they want you to actually have a Filipino ID. But only Filipinos can move money around? I don't know. I just don't know. Why would they not have it open to everybody that's here? But not my department to figure out. I'm just going to let it happen. Anyway, I'm going to go pull this off and have dinner. Y'all have a good day. Blessings. I'm William, Williams Philippines. You know, to do the fun stuff, like, comment, subscribe, be you, do you. Because, hey, I'm trying not to do other people. I got me to deal with. That's the important part for me, is dealing with what's between here, and there. Talk to daddy if you got problems, work it out. He did say somewhere in Isaiah something about let us reason unto each other. Might be a reason to talk to him. He's giving you the go ahead for saying, hey, let's talk. But you get to decide you. Anyway, lots of friends, lots of food, and lots of family. And again, more food. You do you. Like, comment, subscribe. And guess what? Oh, that's right. I'm Fish. I'm about to have a new eye. And Fish is out.